Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Malik from BuildWithMalik.com. I hope you guys are enjoying your day today. I just wanted to jump on real quick and just talk a little bit about, how it's not your fault that, you might be in your situation. If a person is like going through a impoverished mindset, it's going to keep you in that mindset, right? So you definitely want to be somebody who's always working on your mindset, because it's not your fault if you were born poor or anything like that, but it's something that you can definitely change, right? So it all starts with yourself, and that's why me personally, I've been working on personal development and just bettering myself and upping my skill levels and all of those different things, so that I don't have to be living in destitute the way that I grew up, right? So you can always change your situation, but it all starts with you. So if you guys are watching this live, drop a 1 in the comment box. If you're watching a replay, drop a 2 in the comment box, and let me know where you guys are watching from, all right? And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Malik Amir. I'm a lead generation coach. So what I do is I teach people how to generate highly targeted leads and convert those leads into sales so that you can spend more time with your family, all right? Now, as you can see, I'm just, hanging out with my son, Matthew, and, just enjoying life. And I always try to teach my son all of the different things that I'm picking up on, so that he doesn't have to be, in a impoverished mindset, or, being like in a mindset that keeps him poor, right? I mean, the world is abundant, and there's so many different ways that you can make money these days. And, it's not your fault if you're poor or if you were born poor, but it's not a situation that you have to stay in. And this is like something that's been passed down for generations. And when you have that way of thinking, it's not your fault. I mean, most of the time this is something that's been passed down from your parents and your parents' parents, where people just didn't have that financial literacy. Maybe they didn't have the same opportunities that we have today. But I'm just here to let you guys know, whatever situation that you were born into is something that you can definitely change, right? So I'm all about helping people create generational wealth and being able to pass down financial literacy to the next generation, so that these people, they don't have to grow up the same ways that we did, and they can have a wealth of knowledge that's going to help them to better their situation, where they don't have to worry about working for somebody else, slaving away, and being stuck in some type of 9-to-5 job that they really don't like, right? So I'm just out here in San Jose, California, hanging around downtown, about to go and do some things with my son. And I'm always trying to teach him life lessons and show him all of the different things that I'm doing to be able to generate multiple streams of income, so that he can have all of this knowledge at a young age, and he can be able to, pick it up while he's still young and pass it down to his kids and things like that, right? So, we just always have to remember that, being born in this type of mindset is not your fault, right? It's not your fault that you were born and that you had this type of identity that was passed down to you. But what you can do is you can do something about it. You can take your time that you have, and you can start learning all of the secrets to be able to make money online. And if you tap into the different ways that you can make income on being in an impoverished mindset, or being broke, or wondering where your next dollar is coming from, okay? And if anybody's been following me for any amount of time, you would know that I'm an advocate for showing people a better way, showing people that you can actually get paid while you're having fun and being with your family, and not having to be stuck in some factory on a Saturday or a Sunday slaving away just so you can make a little bit of extra income and stuff like that, right? And I've been fortunate and blessed to be working with mentors that make some phenomenal amounts of money every single month. And this is the knowledge that I'm trying to pass down to other people, so that you don't have to be stuck in that slavery mindset or being a impoverished mindset, because this is where it all starts. So you have to develop yourself, you have to be working on your mindset on a daily basis, and you also have to be increasing your knowledge, because making money online is a skill set. That's what people need to realize, and it's one of the toughest places to be able to make a solid income unless you have the right mentorship, the right coaching, and unless you're somebody who's willing to put in the work, right? So putting in the work starts with yourself. It starts with developing yourself with your mindset first, and then also developing your skill set so you can learn all of the different strategies that it takes to be able to make money online, okay? So I just wanted to encourage you guys that if you were born in this type of situation, it's not your fault, and you can definitely do something about it. And I'm here to help as many people as possible for 2020 to, you know, start creating that financial wealth and literacy that you really need in your lives, and just help you to make a better future going on into the next decade. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to take too much time away from my son, but I just want to let you guys know that there is a better way. And if you want some more information, feel free to reach out to me, drop me a message or leave me a comment, and I can show you some things that I've been working on that help me to escape that 9-to-5 grind and just, you know, create a better lifestyle for me and my family. All right, so I hope you guys are enjoying your day. It's a beautiful day out here in California, and I'm loving it, and I hope you guys are loving it and enjoying your weekend. And I'll be doing some more Facebook Lives again soon. All right, peace and blessings from Malik.